We acknowledge Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander who as traditional custodians of the land in which we meet. We pay our respects to the elders of the past, present, future.
Hi everyone, it's Mr. Cuss here and welcome to our online assembly for week 6. We're excited to get you all together and share some Fleetwood news. It has been a big week this week for the Afghan community, so I wanted to send a special shout out and say salam. It's also the weekend coming up, and so I really encourage you and your family to get outside, spend some good quality time together and have some fun. In this week's newsletter I talked about having some family traditions, and in the Cuss household we always have Friday dinner where one of our family members gets to choose our dinner for everyone else. This week it's my son Nate's choice and I think he's picked McDonald's. What would you pick for dinner on Friday night? Okay, we're going to get to some awards now, so I'll see you in a second. Okay, our first award goes to Eva in FM for spreading smiles in our Google Meets and always completing her learning tasks in a timely manner. Our second award is also for Eva, but a different Eva. Eva in F1M for being so responsible and always completing her online learning and joining all the Google Meets. What a superstar. Our next award is for Zayden in 1L for always being positive and wearing a big smile to our meetings. 12AM have an award for Brock for his awesome maths work this week. Superstar! The award for 2M goes to Hamilton for a great attitude toward his online learning and submitting his work each day. We love when you submit your work, by the way. When Miss Monahan and I did the Principal Takeover Day, we had so much work to look at, but we just loved all of your creativity and all of your ideas. The award for 3R goes to Matthew for being a consistent superstar of remote learning. Well done, Matthew. For 3-4P, the award goes to Jackson for always completing his work nice and early so that he can make the most of his day. For 4D, the award goes to Aaliyah for getting her online work done every day despite issues with technology. She always finds a way with a smile. Well done, Aaliyah. I think we all know what it's like to have issues with your technology. I had some of those this morning with my children. Okay, for 4R, the award goes to Mohammed for his lovely online work and his very neat presentation. For 5C, the award goes to Adana for always contributing to our morning meetings and putting in 100% for all of her work. Matthew R has the award for 5D for his continued excellent standards in the work that he's completing. In 6G, the award goes to Riley for always participating in our online morning meets. And lastly, one of the mighty Skilton players, the 6R certificate goes to Dante for having a positive attitude to online learning. So congratulations to all of our winners this week, but really everybody at home who's doing their best efforts is a winner in my eyes. It's a very, very tricky time, and so we thank you and your parents and your families for all the effort you're putting into your online learning, and we wish you the best. I'm going to hand over to some other people in this assembly now, so thank you and goodbye. Tashakor Khudafis.
Welcome to the On-Site News Report.
Why do you come to school during lockdown?
Because my mom and dad go to work.
Who's your favourite teacher at Fleetwood?
My favorite teacher is Miss Moore
Why is she your favourite teacher?
because he has a black shirt.
Oh, nice. Hi, lovely Annie. How many times a week does our lovely turtle get fed?
Hi Karen, our turtle gets fed on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays with sometimes a treat in between.
He sounds like a very well-fed turtle. Thanks so much, Annie.
You're welcome Karen.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Miss Monahan. Can you tell us something about the foyer?
I sure can. Hopefully you've all noticed if you've had a chance to come in here, it's looking more fresh and modern with the nice white walls. It's still looking a little bare in here, but we've got beautiful floorboards as well and a nice door that we can actually see what's happening on the other side. We can see the turtle. Look out for when we get more furniture in here or little things on the wall to beautify this area.
Thanks, Miss Monahan.
See you next time.
Hi everyone. Isn't it fun to be doing assembly during remote learning? I've been given the job of introducing next week's school-wide positive behaviour of the week, but I can't remember what it is. So I think I might just pop into my Google Classroom and ask one of my class members if they can remember. I hope they can. Hey, do you know what next week's school-wide positive behaviour of the week is?
Sure, we'll be responsible and clean after ourselves.
Oh, that's right. That'll be really fun to do at home, won't it?
Yeah.
See ya!
Bye.
What's the worst thing about staying at home?
I don't get to see my friends, so I don't get to socialize.
Too many slides. That my parents don't let me go on the... No, not that one. Let me think.
What's the worst part about staying at home?
Not finishing work in time.
Oh, yeah, good one.
When I use the mouse, not moving, also coronavirus, and too many slides.
Great. Can you describe your mum or dad as a teacher?
In the middle, medium.
Fantastic.
My dad is helpful.
My mom is sensational. I just feel like I want to say 2 words.
Okay, tell us 2 words.
That they're strict, they want me to do good things, and they let me have computer time or game time on their phones, so they're like better than you.
That's very fun.
Being funny.
Oh, good one. She's funny.
Because my mommy did this.
True or false? Have you watched lots of TV? I sure have. Callan's got 2 thumbs up. True or false? I've eaten lots of junk food. Good. Do you have anything to say to mum or dad?
No, not really.
Not really.
Oh, okay.
That they are amazing at helping us with work, and they can be
Awesome.
supportive when we need it.
I can learn by myself. I don't need help because I'm a big kid.
Thank you for keeping me safe and not letting me do anything bad and keeping me healthy.
What have you learnt this year?
Playing literacy planner on computers.
Multiplying and dividing decimals.
Doing literacy planet on computers. Learn how to make fairy bread.
And long multiplication.
You learned.
Math. Not to talk when it's not your turn.
Alright, this is my lucky last question that I've thrown in there. I want to know who your favourite teacher is in the whole wide school.
Miss Moria and Mr. Bowden. Miss Mortia and Mr. Bowden. Miss Mortia, Miss Mac, or Miss Hallowell?
Everyone that's left the school, Miss Notley and Miss Chapman.
Miss Mortia.
Miss Gorley and Mr. Koenig.
Mrs. Mac and Mrs. Mortia.
Hey guys, Mr. B here. I'm with Arnie Boy, who's going to be joining us for our specialist lessons on Friday for PE. I can't wait to see all of you guys there, so make sure that you guys jump online for the specialist lessons. Can't wait to see you guys back at school as well. If you need any tips on how to stay physically active at home, make sure that you go through the slides that I put up for you. And if you have any other questions as well, just feel free to get in contact with me and send me an email. I'd love to hear from you guys. Otherwise, stay active, stay healthy, and I can't wait to see you guys again at school.
Hey everyone, Miss McLean here. I just wanted to say hello and say what a wonderful job you're all doing in remote learning. I can't wait till we all get back to school and see each other again soon. Bye.
So that concludes our online assembly. Thank you to all the people that put something in there to make it enjoyable. And a special shout out to Miss Mortia and to Wendy for putting it all together for us all. Hope you have a lovely weekend and we look forward to seeing you sometime soon.